Hi, everybody, and welcome back to part 2 of Lemonade Stand Sales. In part 1, we learned how to make a simple formula in cell D3. When you click once on D3, you'll see the formula equals B3, which is here, plus C3. Next, we are going to find two more sums, and that is the total sales per day for Saturday and the total sales for Sunday. So in cell A7, I'm going to type total sales per day. Enter. Next, click in cell B7. We learned in part 1 to start a formula, click the equal button. And one way to do a formula is to click each cell that you want to add, putting an addition sign between them. So after the equal sign, you click once on cell B3, hit the plus sign, click cell B4, click the plus sign, click cell B5, hit the plus sign, then click B6 and hit enter. That will shut the formula off. Now you try to find the sales for Sunday. First, click cell C7 and you try. If you did, equals C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus C6 and hit enter and got 83.5, that is correct. Next, you may notice that our money is in decimal 15.5. We need to change that to currency, which is money. Select cell B3 by clicking on it one time. Hold down the mouse and drag to your right 2 times, and then down until you get to cell D7. If you come up on the toolbar, you will see a dollar sign and it'll say format as currency. Click that one time and you will see that the 15.5 in cell B3 has turned to money, as well as the other values. Next, you will notice some of the words do not fit in the cell. So lemonade stand sales goes in to B1. So to make a column wider, put the cursor between the A and the B and you'll see 2 arrows. Once you see that, hold down the mouse and drag to the right until you get to the end of the word. Do the same thing for cell column D. To make cell D2 bigger, go between the D and the E, wait for the 2 arrows, hold down the mouse, and drag to the right. Next, if we wanted to make the word lemonade stand sales bigger, click once in cell A1. Let's say we want to make it bold. So click the B that says bold. And let's say we want to make this 14 font. Again, we might have to make our column a little bigger. to fit the bigger size. Next, click cell D2, and we're going to make cell D2 bold. And we're also going to make our other total in cell A7 bold. So click once on that cell and click the bold button. The last thing we are going to do in this video is do some formatting. So click Format, Alternating Colors, and here it should already select A1 through D7 for you, but if it does not, click here once and highlight A1 through D7. Next, make sure the header button is on, because we do have a header in Lemonade Stand Sales. Click one of the formatting styles. I'll show you a few. Okay, by clicking on each one, it will show you a preview of how it will look. You can also select your own colors for the header, color 1 and color 2 by clicking on the paint cans. Click Done when you have selected the color that you'd like to have for your table. Click off the spreadsheet or anywhere on the screen to see how the table will look. I'll be showing you more in the next lesson.